Most Filipinos don't know this or they've forgotten about this already. What is the national motto of the Philippines? Do you remember from elementary or from high school? Do you need a clue? It's not from the Panatang Makabayan. It's from the Panunumpa ng Katapatan sa Watawat ng Pilipinas. No? Okay. Let me tell you. It's makadiyos, makatao, makakalikasan, at makabansa. Or in English, for God, humanity, nature, and country. So it's been a while since I actually heard the national motto of the Philippines, and it came to me today, And but anyways, so let me give you the whole Filipino version. It goes, Ako ay Pilipino, buong katapatang nanunumpa sa watawat ng Pilipinas at sa bansang kanyang sinasagisag, na may dangal, katarungan at kalayaan, na pinakikilos ng sambayanang makadiyos, makatao, makakalikasan at makabansa. Or the English version of it is, I am Filipino, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the Philippines and to the country it represents, with honor, justice, and freedom. That is put in motion by a nation that is for God, humanity, nature, and country. Absolutely beautiful. Now, if you guys still remember the national motto, let me know in the comments. If you've forgotten, let me know. And if you've never heard of this, let me know in comments. I want to know if this is still if they still teach you this in school or not.